Welcome back to DBA Junction, where we simplify Oracle technologies with real-world experience. Let's start with today's agenda.
Think about the apps you use every day. Shopping, banking, messaging, streaming, and even hospitals. They all have one thing in common. They depend on a database. So, what exactly is a database? A database is simply a secure place where applications store, organize, and manage information, so it can be accessed whenever it's needed. Whenever you send a message, place an order, check your bank balance, or watch a movie online, the application is constantly reading information from the database and saving new information back into it. Without a database, managing large amounts of information becomes slow, disorganized, and difficult. A database keeps everything secure, organized, and easy to access whenever it's needed. One of the most common types of databases is the SQL database, also called a relational database. Here, information is stored in structured tables, and related data is connected together. There are many relational database management systems, or RDBS, available today. Some of the most popular ones are Oracle Database, Microsoft SQL, and IBM DB2. Relational databases are trusted by industries where accuracy, consistency, and security are essential. They power banks, hospitals, airlines, retail businesses, and companies around the world. Unlike SQL databases, NoSQL databases store information in flexible formats instead of fixed tables. This makes them ideal for modern applications that handle rapidly changing and diverse data. Popular NoSQL databases include MongoDB, Apache Cassandra, Redis, Couchbase, and Neo4j. Each is designed to handle different types of modern data and large-scale applications. NoSQL databases are widely used by modern internet applications such as social media platforms, video streaming services, e-commerce websites, ride-sharing applications, and SQL and NoSQL are not competitors, they solve different problems. SQL is best for structured, related data, while NoSQL is designed for flexible, rapidly, and highly scalable applications. If you want to become a developer, start by learning SQL. And then explore NoSQL Database Administrator, build a strong foundation in SQL, and master enterprise databases like Oracle. So, a database is simply an organized digital collection of data or information, designed for easy storage, fast searching, and quick updates.
That's all for today's Oracle Deep Dive. At DBA Junction, we turn complex Oracle technologies into practical knowledge. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next DBA Junction session.